I would just like to thank our current subscribers and also welcome our new subscribers. Over the past couple of weeks we've had quite a number of subscribers, as we really do appreciate you being on board. Could you please give our video a like, and if you wish to do so, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this week's video, and if you do have any comments or questions, we will always answer them. Hello everybody and welcome back to Manfred. It's a lovely day. It's a bit cooler than yesterday. It was 24 degrees yesterday. It's not that today, and we've got a bit of a breeze in the air, so it is a bit cooler, but it's not too bad. Just going to show you how my potatoes are getting on. Yeah, I've tried to record this a couple of times with the wind's been too bad, so hopefully get a better recording today. So there, the white potatoes are planted. I planted these about 4 weeks ago, and they're the red potatoes, so they're more slow growing than the white ones. Both of them were planted at the same time. I also planted garlic. The garlic's coming on really well. They've all seemed to pop through. The spring onions, I did do this video last week, but because the wind was that bad I couldn't put it on YouTube, so I've redone it again. It's still a bit windy here, so you'll have to bear with me. And I'm using the mobile phone because our camera, our DJI, got sent off because it got damaged, and we should be getting it back tomorrow, so hopefully the footage will be better. So they're all the white onions, and these are the red onions. All of them coming through really well, so I'm quite pleased with them. Got carrots growing in here. These ones have took as well, so it's not too bad. Herbs, the mixed herbs seem to be growing really well. Some of the plants have taken, some of them haven't, so they're coming through. The strawberries, they're growing nicely, and got strawberries in there. And down here I've got a rhubarb in there. I didn't want to put it into the ground, and so I potted it. It needs to go in a bigger pot when it gets bigger. And in this bed I've got some cauliflower. I think those cauliflowers are a bit too close to each other, so I'll have to replant them. Here I've got some radishes, not many. So I'm going to see how they go, and I'll probably plant some more of them. And these are a couple of lettuce I planted. They just start to come through. And down here there's more lettuce. There's red lettuce. Nice. Not too bad. See how they go. So there's the radishes I've just pulled out now, so I'm going to plant some more. I think I planted them wrong because I put 1 or 2 seeds in at a time, and it says small quantity, so I'm going to put more in. So I'm going to start here by putting, there's about 5 in there. Stick a couple more in. So there's the seeds there. So I'll put a few in there, small quantities. Doesn't have to be that deep.
That's a big radish there. That's about the length of my index finger. That's big, that's a big radish. Yeah, they're really big then.
So I'm going to put about 5 or 6 seeds in at a time. I don't know if it's too many. If it is, I'm sure someone can let me know. So I've never done this before.
Yeah, just lash them in, I'd say.
You don't just lash them in. You've got to place them in.
I'll tell you what though, I have noticed the leaves are very short on these, aren't they?
Yeah.
But on the ones you buy from the shop, they're massive.
Well, no, it's not that.
So
The ones in the shop, the plants are quite a few.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's on a plant or two.
See, I think they've been in a bit long because that's starting to go a bit funny at the end. You've done well, haven't you? You radishes. Make a salad out of it.
I think you'll get a small salad out of this. They'll do. It's all trial and error.
Yeah, you can just keep on planting, can't you?
I have to get that soil out, it's getting on my nerves.
Just lash them in.
I've got no space for any more, have I?
Well, you've got, what are these here?
They're lettuce, so that's a lettuce.
Lettuce.
They're all lettuce.
Yeah.
More lettuce there.
And you've got lettuce in that one on the floor.
Yeah.
The cardboard one. No big one.
Yeah. There's nothing down there because we needed more soil.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I could probably sow them in pots when we come back from the UK.
Yeah, I'll do that. And when you're done there growing and you've ticked them out, you just go put some more in.
Well, I've got all the herbs. I've got lots of herbs that I need to plant when we come back.
And there your sprouts, aren't they?
Yeah, the sprouts, they're coming on all right.
They're coming on amazing now, aren't they?
So.
Right.
Yeah.
He was totally wrong on himself, things. Did you go on the outside?
How can we go on the outside?
Because they stopped the lights, the ball from pulling through.
Oh, I see.
So,
you've got to change them.
yeah, so it's a good job. But that's what shade doesn't fall off the ceiling. And again, no, did you go on the outside today, right?
No, it was.
Sorry, I do apologise.
There's the two lights Fran's just fitted. He's going to test them now. The bulb's just blown on that first one there, so we have to get a new bulb. It don't look too bad. I'll test this, switch it on, see if it works.
Yep.
Yeah, it works.
That's alright, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the job done.
You want to tick off the list?
Yeah. On to the next job. So that's the two of them working now. So we can get on with the next job. Which is what?
Finish the step.
Finishing the step.
Well, I hope I haven't opened the can of worms yet. No? No, yeah, I might have done. You know that?
Can you get mesh for that?
Just thinking that now. Look at that.
That's all.
That's concrete, that's it. This. Just crumbling away. Just all soft soil.
Soil.
I mean, it's like loose gravel, that's all it is.
You put in.
Yeah. Yeah, look, see? All the holes. Just all loose stuff. You know, see, that's the thinness of their shutter. How have they done that back in the day? It's just thin. And that's just all loose stone. Look at the backfield. this corner here where it's being patched up, they've shut it and they put just poured concrete in it. It's lazy and sloppy. But if I was to take this corner out here, it's all this is loose. It's not in that you can stick something to. So if I take that away,
so aren't you just best putting a shutter on it yourself and just filling it like they did?
no, I'm best doing is just patching that now.
Oh, right, okay.
I just patch that just up here.
Yeah.
And then I'll just try and grind a few lines in to try and make it look a bit more uniform. It's like part of it, but
So
that
how are you going to get the concrete to stick to that if it's
I'll
that
just
waving away?
I'm just going to I don't know, I'll try and put some spikes in it or something.
Yeah.
Put some spikes in there.
Or some mesh, do you think?
Yeah, mesh would have done as well. But that's just been a bad job done that. I thought that was a solid concrete base, that, and they just patched up, like floated over, but they obviously haven't. That old corner's been smashed off and they put a piece of timber there, and where you see the gap there, that's where they poured the concrete in through the top. Let's get it behind. And they haven't screwed it on, it's just been loosely put on. Probably that's what this nail is, see this nail here?
Yeah.
That's probably been where the shutter's been nailed to the to it.
Oh, yeah.
That's the shutters give way. Supposed to be going to look at new houses, aren't we? That's all.
Ends up doing this.
That's what I'm saying, we're doing stuff like this. We'll just be here forever doing all these little bits and bobs. I'm just filling this crack in here and this hole up here and this slice of this around this edge. There's no point in me knocking this out because it must be about that thick. And to take that out, I think what's going to happen, as soon as I take that out, the whole lot's going to fall. Because that's been a shutter. Someone's had a shutter and they've poured the concrete through the top there. So if I take this away, it means I'm to shutter it all and then pouring concrete in. And I just don't think it's worth going into all of it when the property's actually up for sale. And the property's being valued at the condition it was in. So we're doing this just basically as a goodwill gesture. It's safe, it's not going to go anywhere. And the front, I'll just have to fill up bit by bit. And then I'll put lines in, just try and make it look a bit more uniform.
With the style of the stuff, you mean?
Yeah.
The lines you're talking about?
Yeah. See these here?
Yeah.
I'll just try and cut that. I might even do that here, to be honest with you. I might get my grind out and just grind them across.
Oh yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Just to save it, I'll just make it look part
Yeah.
of it, do you know what I mean? It just stops any water going down here, doesn't it? To,
Yeah.
I'll give that a rub down in a minute, get the heavy off. Because to be honest with you, that could have even been happening anyway. See the gap there at the top?
Yeah.
Water could have been going down there.
It looks like, doesn't it?
And it's, because it did look a bit damp in this corner, didn't it?
Yeah.
So water could have been going down there and it's been washing down the back. So we just fill it in with this stuff. It's not the best in the world, but
Not your best job.
well, you know, as a rule, I'd have just ripped out, wouldn't I?
Yeah,
And
well,
shut it, but
that was our plan, wasn't it? To if we were staying here, we were going to replace the whole,
I
take
just
the whole
don't
lot out.
see the point of going to
Pull the
into
porch down.
Yeah.
We were going to pull the porch down. Yeah.
That's insane, even all that was going to come down, wasn't it? And be all either rebuilt to the same or big canopy you wanted on it, didn't you? Put lines right across on there. Just make it look a bit more uniform, as you say.
Should have done the repair first, really, shouldn't we?
That's,
But we didn't realise, did we?
no. Oh, you were in a rush to get that, don't we?
Yeah.
There's forecast of bad rain. We wanted to stop the water going into the cellar, which it has worked, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's worked the dream. Yeah, give that a couple of hours and then we'll just come back to that and then we'll float that off. And that should be fine at then.
Fran's just going to put up a dove nest box in the apple tree, and the reason he's doing that is because a couple of days ago he decided to start cutting some of the trees down at the back where he started last summer, not thinking anything was nesting this time of the year, and there was a dove's nest in the tree. So he feels a bit guilty now, and he's built a new nest box for them, ready to go in the same tree here. This is the apple tree. He's going to try that for a couple of days. If they don't start nesting in there, then he's